Hey guys, Jaden here again. I'm going to show you how to install cryptocurrency wallets as well as how to install the deep in the dark web. The cryptocurrency wallet I'm using is Jaxx. Jaxx is available on iPhones as well as the computer. The first thing you're going to want to do once you open Jaxx is to create a new wallet. To create a new wallet, you can either choose Express or Custom. I personally like Custom. Jaxx has a variety of cryptocurrencies to choose from. And don't hesitate or worry about selecting too many or too little cryptocurrencies because you can always change this in settings. Alright, now we're going to have a world currency to compare our cryptocurrency to. We're going to skip the backup and security pin. You can set that up if you would like to, but I'm not gonna. Alright, so after you set up your Jaxx wallet, you're going to get a Bitcoin address as well as an address for every other type of coin you created. We're going to use Bitcoin as our example here. Imagine that someone sent you Bitcoin and you needed to receive it. What you would do is enter the amount of Bitcoin they sent to you. Like say, I'm receiving 3 Bitcoin, I'd enter 3 Bitcoin and I'd press generate. So I'm going to request 3 Bitcoin. Then there's another handy button called exchange. Exchange, you can exchange Bitcoin for any other cryptocurrency. Note, you will not be able to exchange Bitcoin for real money on the site. The most practical thing you can do to get real money is to exchange Bitcoin for Visa gift cards. The other main button is send. To send, you're going to enter a receiving address. Like right here is our Bitcoin address. When it says your Bitcoin address, you're going to want to copy and paste that. So, for example, if I wanted to send, say, 3 Bitcoins to my friend, I would have to copy and paste his address in here. So, yeah, that's how that works. Also, how I mentioned earlier, there is wallets. You can always select or unselect wallets if you want to add or remove any. And that's all. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to install it deep in the dark web. Okay, first thing that you need to do to access the dark and deep web is to install Tor. For this, go to https://www.torproject.org. Once you get there, you're going to click download Tor, download, and save. What you're going to want to do is, here, I'm going to delete this old one. You're going to want to create a new folder and save Tor install of that. Once it's finished, you're going to click run, select language, and you're going to have a destination folder. So we're going to need to create one real quick. We'll call this web. So we're going to select web right there. And we're going to install it. And we're going to finish. Connect. Alright, and now we are at the deep web. This is the deep web right here. Also, you can do whatever you want here, so I'm not responsible if you choose to partake in illegal activities. Next, you're going to want to go to thehiddenwiki.org. This is a site of all dark webs. Notice they all end in .onion. So right now we're just gonna choose one. We're gonna choose this one. So copy and then paste, but also I want you to note if I click on this, the page cannot be reached in a normal browser. You have to use it via Tor. So we're gonna enter the site, and please be aware that using Tor may take longer than you'd expect. Okay, so this is the dark web. These are all the links for the dark web. These are all the sites you can go. Yeah, but as I was saying earlier, don't be surprised if the dark web takes a while, because basically what's happening is basically your location is being run through multiple VPNs to ensure your security. But yeah, that's all. Yeah. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It'll really help me purchase better equipment and keep Crypto Club going. And that's all. Thank you.